दुनिया के मारूफ तालीमी दरस ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी के तलबा ने पाकिस्तान का दौरा करने के बाद पाकिस्तानी हाई कमीशन लंदन में मुनक़िदा एक तकरीब में दौरा पाकिस्तान से मुतल्लिक अपने ख्यालात का इजहार करते हुए कहा कि जो वेस्ट के मीडिया ने पाकिस्तान की तस्वीर दुनिया के सामने बनाई हुई थी, पाकिस्तान उससे बिल्कुल मुख्तलिफ है। पाकिस्तान के लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा मिलनसार और खुश मिजाज हैं।
My name is Jonathan Serrano, Oxford student, originally from Ecuador, and I grew up in Latin America, Ecuador, just studying maybe a month about Asia history, especially of Pakistan, and that was the only knowledge I had going to this trip. I was there for 6 days, and now I can say I came back not only with these beautiful cashmere scarves, but really with a full luggage of new memories and ideas. For example, I would have never thought the Pakistani people will be so warm and kind and genuinely interested in why are you here? How can we serve you and make sure you have a better experience? I remember being in the hotel and having a full night with my peers and speaking with the people at the reception, the bar, the people bringing us the towels and introducing ourselves. And then they will be telling us their stories, how they live here, places to go. And that's something that even in Ecuador, I thought, oh, we're already such a warm culture. No, we would never do it. And that's something we can take back home. Now I want to bring more of Pakistan to University of Oxford alongside my peers. That's our joint feeling we have. But why not more Latin America for Pakistan and more Pakistan for Latin America?